Tahiti, a sanctuary for tranquility and rejuvenation, invites you to a wellness retreat like no other. Here, relaxation, cultural immersion, and personal renewal are interwoven with the island's natural beauty. From transformative yoga sessions to indulgent spa treatments, Tahiti is a journey to relaxation and renewal. Experience transformative yoga and meditation sessions on a private island, surrounded by the pristine waters of Bora Bora and the stunning vistas of Mount Otemanu. Certified instructors tailor each 60-minute class to individual skill levels, ensuring a fulfilling practice for all participants. After yoga, snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters offers a perfect continuation of the morning's tranquility. Embrace mindfulness in Tahiti's tranquil surroundings. Guided meditations teach you to observe your thoughts without judgment, fostering a sense of peace and clarity. From deep breathing to visualization exercises, mindfulness in Tahiti is a journey inward, supported by the island's natural rhythm. Indulge in holistic spa treatments at Temahana Spa, utilizing local ingredients such as vanilla, monoi oil, and black pearl powder. The spa's facilities, including a steam room and overwater yoga platform, provide a nurturing space for relaxation and rejuvenation, where tranquility meets luxury. Immerse yourself in Tahiti's rich culture and history. Explore ancient mare, visit museums, and engage with local artisans. The islands offer diverse experiences, from snorkeling and beach walks to rainforest exploration, allowing for a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Savor the local cuisine and delicacies of Tahiti. The island's culinary landscape offers a blend of French, Polynesian, and Asian influences. From fresh ceviche to seafood pil-pil, dining in Tahiti connects you with the island's spirit and traditions, complemented by stunning ocean views. Plan your wellness journey with ease by selecting the right retreat package and preparing for your trip to Tahiti. Embrace wellness through the 5 core elements: connect, sleep, move, indulge, and nourish. Contribute to sustainable travel and community support as you embark on this transformative experience. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.